Guys, what up, guys? There was a hurricane outside, and it was a big hurricane, like a witch. Look, it broke a tree down. Bruh, what the heck? Can you see bright enough? Here, let me go outside. Bruh, that is just so... Oh, crap. No lizards? Okay. Ah. Bruh. What the heck? Oh heck no, that did just not happen. Bruh. See, I told you there's a hurricane. You didn't believe me? But look at that. It's freaking broken. What if this one crushes our house while the hurricane ended? Oh, bro. That's why I heard something. I think it broke the fence, the other fence. Let me see. Okay, I don't have flip-flops, and look at all the... Oh my gosh. It just broke a freaking tree. Oh, I didn't know wind can do that. Wow, look at that, bro. Oh my gosh. I want to see if it broke the fence. I think it didn't much broke the fence because I can see through the fence. Oh man, that's a bad mamma jamia. Whatever. Let's look at it carefully. Oh, that's ripped up. So guys, going back in. Some other trees are ripped up in the other houses. Oh, like frogs. So let's look outside for other trees that are broken. Now I'm wearing a mom's flip-flop. So, woo! There ain't no broken trees out here. Look, I'm telling the truth right now, guys. They're like a cute circle. Look at these trees, bro. Bro, they're just all over scattered the place. A trash can fall earlier. That trash can. What else? Oh, that one. Every trash can like fell. Even this couch. What the heck? This couch freaking fell, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at that. Look at all these pieces. See? I'm telling the truth right now, guys. That trash could fall, dude. You see those? Oh my gosh, dude. I can't believe this happened. Oh, wow, guys. Oh, look what happened to our lights. Wow. It even took out, like, almost the whole thing, guys. Bruh, that is just, oh my god, what the heck? Someone's watching. Oh. Is that a girl right there? Oh, I thought it was. But look at this, guys. Oh. Oh, crap. Look at those stuff from there fell. Even those trees. See? Everywhere, boxes. Oh, even the fence. Yeah, even the fence. This fence. Bro, I almost crushed my tree. Wow, guys. So, ugh. Wait. Over there. Look, his point just said, dude. Oh my gosh. It almost crushed your house. It ripped the roof apart. So that's it for us. Peace out.